pictures, you find that we are comparing two ideas, comparing two situations, comparing two or more objects. Alright, similarly we can compare numbers as well. Alright, now how do we do that? Let us see. Now on your screen you find that there are 5 numbers given. Alright, and you have to find the greatest and smallest number. Okay, so out of these 5 numbers, the greatest number will be 59,785 and the smallest number will be 19. Alright, now suppose we have 4 digits, 6, 8, 2, 9. We have to make as many 4-digit numbers as possible using these 4 digits, and we know that we do not have to repeat the digits. Alright, so if we start forming the 4-digit numbers, we find that there are total 24 4-digit numbers formed out of these digits. Alright, now find out which is the greatest number you get and which is the smallest number you get. So here is an answer, and the answer is 9,862 is the greatest one and 2,689 is the smallest number. We have certain combinations of 4 digits, okay, and we have to form smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers. Alright, so we have the first one is 2874. Now listing down all the 4-digit numbers, for example 2874 and then 7482 and so on. Okay, so listing down all the numbers and then finding out greatest and smallest is a little time consuming. Alright, so what do we do is, we first, for greatest number, what do we do is we find the greatest digit first, which is 8. Alright, so we write 8 first. Then we find the next greatest out of the remaining digits. So out of 2, 7 and 4, 7 is greatest. So we write 7. Then next greatest is 4 and then next one is, remaining is 2. So we get 8,742 is the greatest number. Alright, now how do we do for the smallest one? Okay, so for the smallest 4-digit number, we see the smallest digit, which is 2. The next smallest is 4, then 7 and then 8. Alright, so here we have 2478 is the smallest 4-digit number. Similarly, in the second case, we'll do the same thing. So we will be having 9,741 as the greatest 4-digit number and 1,479 is the smallest 4-digit number. Now while looking at greatest and smallest numbers, you will find that actually by reversing the digits, we find either of the two numbers. For example, if we have greatest number as 8742, we go in a reverse way, 2478. So 2478 is the smallest number. Similarly in the second case. Okay, that's a hint for writing greatest and smallest number. Now, in the third case, similarly we move on. So 5,430 is the greatest number. Now if we follow the same rule, for the smallest one we would get 3034 and 5. But this forms a 3-digit number because 0 written before any number or before any digit does not have any value. So here we have a 3-digit number instead of a 4-digit number. So what do we do now? So in that case, what do we do is we shift 0 to the previous place. Okay, so now what do we do is we will be writing the smallest number as 3, 0, 4 and 5. Alright, so here we have 3045 as the smallest number. Similarly, in the last case, we are going to follow the rule which we applied in the third question. Okay, so we have 7540 as the greatest number and 4057 as the smallest 4-digit number. Here we have next set of digits given and we have to form 4-digit numbers, but we have to repeat any one of the digit twice. Alright, so how do we do that? In the first one we have 3, 8 and 6 as the digits given. So for forming the greatest number, what do we do is we use the greatest digit twice. For example, out of these 8 is greatest, right? So for forming greatest number we write 8, 8, 6, 3 as the greatest number. Similarly, for the smallest one, we will be repeating smallest digit, which is 3 twice. Okay, so it will be 3, 3, 8, 6. Is this the correct one? No. The correct answer would be 6, 8. Okay, you can try and find out. Why? Because 6, 8 is smaller than 86, right? Okay, so in the next case, the greatest digit is 7. So we'll be repeating 7 and then 5 and then 1. Okay, so we'll go from the greatest digit to smallest digit. Now here we'll go from the smallest to the greatest digit. So 1 will be repeating 1, 5, 7. Okay. Now similarly in this case for the greatest one, we'll be repeating the greatest digit. Okay. If I write 0059 as the smallest digit, 4-digit number, is that correct? Okay. No, because this forms a 2-digit number. Okay. Now what do we do is, we will be shifting this 0 between these two numbers. So how do we do that? So it will be 5009 will be the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. In the next case as well, we are going to do 7740 as greatest and 4007 as the smallest 4-digit number.